Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad and I teach Arabic online. I have 9 years of teaching experience. My main focus is helping students build a strong foundation in Quranic Arabic as well as in modern standard Arabic. In my lessons, I keep things simple, structured, and step by step. I have experience teaching English speaking students. My goal is to make sure you feel comfortable and confident while learning. Most importantly, I adjust each lesson to your pace and learning goals. I usually teach through Zoom with screen sharing and notes and am available for flexible scheduling. If this sounds good to you, I would be happy to share more details and even show you a sample lesson. Inshallah, I look forward helping you in your Arabic learning journey. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.